Hello, welcome to everyone. So, let's today we will discuss how to log in first time in SAP system. Step by step guide we will provide you. Okay, and before first time, okay, whenever you are logging the first time, what are the pre like activity or you have to perform, okay, without before going to start your work. So first of all you have to install your GUI, right? And then open your login pad. Okay, so now let's start. So we'll show you. This is the basically system. Okay, SAP systems. Okay, this is the login pad already over here. Just double click over here. Okay, and now you can click over here. So whenever click over here, okay, so you will have here client 100. Okay, by default is 800, that is training purpose, but anyway 100 to 100 would be possible. Okay, but username, okay, now you have to give the username here and you have to give the passwords. Okay, so let's I am giving the password here, and by default that is EN language. You can put any other language like Japanese, Chinese, whatever. Okay, now click OK. Now this is the initial screen. Okay, this is your initial screen, right? So let's see here how we can go ahead. Okay, so let's here. Okay, so let's here now. Okay, what are the other things? Okay, so we already discussed like these are the client user ID language you have to give. Okay, now you should check about your user ID. Okay, what are the basically, okay, password already, I mean you can also reset the passwords. Okay, but that is not a mandatory. Okay, these are the you can see requirements. Okay, minimum 8 characters if you need to reset the passwords. Okay, so like this example you can put it like this. Okay, now language select. Okay, already we told you. Okay, by default that is recommended. Okay, you can put language while I login into the system, that is EN. Okay, now you will see once you log in you will see initial screen, or as I told you. Okay, and these are the okay the common things we have it, like whenever you go for easy access. Okay, a menu tree, favorite, and okay a command bar. So let's come into the systems. Okay, I'll show you one by one all. So whenever go to the system, okay, this is the initial screen. Okay, so whenever go, this is the first one, that is a menu bar, menu, edit, favorite, system, help. These are all that it. Okay, now this is a easy access. This is okay, and you can see user menu for this one, S23 S2A. So whatever the name would be, you will see over here. Even you can check your profile, like SU3 is a T code. Yeah, you can see here. You can maintain everything as per your requirement, like start menu. Okay, any languages. Now you can see decimal notations. Okay, what kind of notation you can want while starting the work. Okay, date format, in which format you want date in SAP systems. Even what time format you follow, like 12-hour, 24-hour format. So as per your convenience you can put it over here. Okay, you can now you can put here personal detail like your zone, time zone, city. Okay, whatever you want you can do it as per your requirement. You can see all the detail, who changes. Okay, and username and what time they have and what is the status. All the detail would be over here. Even parameters. Okay, these are the all like related to access, role and responsibility. These are the role, so they can basis can take care of this. Okay, so you can at least you can see what are the role you have given. So you can check like this SU3 T codes. Okay, now let's go to the another. Okay, like if you want something, okay, maximum you can six. This is a screen. You can have a maximum six screen. Okay, you can open it. So this is a look like even you can go here and you can check like the status of the system. Okay, before going to here you can also you can, if you want to check here the profile, your user data, you can go user data, you can check the data even. So let's come to system. You can see here user profile, under user data you will have some data here. So currently it is not accessible. Okay, if you go here there is a something user profile data, you can check it. Okay, what are the like basically, okay, but this is sometime is it's not working, but no issues. Okay, let's go for the status here. Okay, under status you will see the whole detail, like like what the time, okay, what is system time, what is the like date, okay, like what are the database basically follow, this is a HANA database, right, operating systems, even what are the version, you can go here, product versions you can display, you can see the product version completely here. Okay, and then what are the install versions you can see over here. So this is basically we would like to show you, okay, how basically we can initially we can set the setting before going to start your work. So these are the basic things, okay, you can look and feel before going to start your work. So please like this video, subscribe, and please also comment how it was, okay, and what you want. Thank you for watching the video.